Ginbulgar sang defense lawyer nga si Atty. Nicholas Kaufman nga may ginauyatan sila nga transcript sang phone call nga makapamatuod sunod sa iya nga mayara sang silent partner si President Bongbong Marcos Jr. nga among nagapadihot sa kaso ni former President Rodrigo Duterte sa International Criminal Court o ICC. Apat ka partido ang involved suno kay Kaufman, apang wala niya gin sa publiko kung sa sino ini nga mga individual. Dugang niya ginapadayaw sang silent partner ni Marcos nga amo ini ang nagadeleher sang scheme agod nga maimpluwensyahan ang kaso ni Duterte sa ICC.
We can now substantiate what we have suspected for a long time. The document comprises a transcript of a telephone call covertly recorded between four parties who cannot be mentioned in public, and one of these parties was boasting about how he was acting as the silent partner of President BBM, managing a scheme to funnel witnesses to this court while all the time ensuring that he could guarantee President BBM's plausible deniability.
Antes nalawagan si Marcos, gindayawanay ni Atty. Kaufman ang 80 anyos nga former president kagang estilo sang liderato sini sa Pilipinas. Gintawag ni Kaufman si Duterte nga unique phenomenon. Ginakusaran man ni Kaufman si Marcos nga naga-neutralize suno sa iya sa former chief executive kag sa iya nga legasiya. Wala gintuman ni Marcos suno kay Kaufman ang iya promisa nga hindi sila mag-assist sa International Criminal Court sa anuman nga pamaagi sa pag-aresto kay Duterte.
Rodrigo Duterte was and will always remain a unique phenomenon. His style of statesmanship was novel and unpalatable to many. His expletives and hyperbole grated, while his honesty and wild popularity irritated. He spoke openly, from the heart, sincerely and truthfully. And what a contrast between him and his successor in the Malacanang. For President Rudy, his word was his word, and the people knew it. For President Bongbong, his word is for the wind, and the people will not forget it. So it is indeed the defense case that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. set out to neutralize Rodrigo Duterte and his legacy. Yes, Mr. Deputy Prosecutor, I used that legendary word, neutralize, so central and so essential to your case theory, because you know just as well as me that I'm using the term metaphorically.